In your production department, you probably face challenges regarding adhesive bonding and various cleaning tasks on a daily basis. And you probably use products for this that are not really good for the health of your employees and for nature. But I am convinced that here we have a solution for you. My name is Nicole, and I am a production manager at the Hoffmann Group in the field of technical chemistry. And I am pleased to introduce our new brand GARANT Green Plus to you today. So what is GARANT Green Plus? Let's take a look at what we have with us today. GARANT Green Plus is our alternative to hazardous substances in technical chemistry. We're starting with two areas, adhesives and cleaning agents. And all products are without hazard labels for the protection of employees and nature. In the area of adhesives, we have anaerobic adhesives in our portfolio. These are adhesives that cure in the absence of oxygen. And what goes very well with adhesives? Cleaning. So a wide range of cleaning agents for very different areas of application. And here too, we have included the idea of sustainability. Our spray dispensers are made of 100% recycled PET and can be refilled many times. They can, in fact, be refilled from our 20-litre canisters. It's better to use these 20-litre canisters to refill and thus reuse our spray dispensers several times in order to reduce waste even more. Another little bit of advice. We also have our GARANT pressure sprayer, which is very suitable for larger areas that require cleaning. So, simply pour the cleaning agent from the canister into the pressure sprayer and you're ready to start cleaning. Well, of course, the question is, do the products really work? And that's what we would like to show you now. I'll grab the Flex Cleaner, a very versatile cleaner for many areas of application. And, well, I would say, let's see what the Flex Cleaner can do. Here, we're standing at the machine, which is used frequently and therefore, of course, full of deposits and dirt. We take our Flex Cleaner, which is very versatile, as I said, apply it to the area to be cleaned and get started. And we can see straight away, even with very little pressure, it's very easy to clean off the dirt. So we have now seen that the products work very well. Perfect performance, environmental compatibility, we protect employees and nature. What more could we ask for? So have fun with GARANT Green Plus, and we hope that we can make your world a little more sustainable and greener.